and Hannah here, and we're going to be talking to you today about circles in the coordinate plane from chapter 12.4.
Alright, so the first thing you need to know about before solving these types of problems is the formula, and the formula is written right here, and it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals radius squared. And you may notice that it looks similar to the distance formula.
So the first problem we're going to do is this one, where the center is at 710 and the radius is 4. And all we're going to do is plug these numbers into the equation. So the 7 goes into h, the 10 goes into k, and the 4 goes into the r. So now if we write this out, it'll be x minus 7 squared plus y minus 10 squared equals 4 squared. And to simplify this even further, it would be x minus 7 squared plus y minus 10 squared equals 16. And that's the simplest form it could be in, since you can't square root a y or an x.
Alright, so this is the second practice problem that we're going to be doing, and you may notice that it looks kind of different from the previous one that we did. We're given the center, but we're not given the radius. Instead, we have this point that this passes through, so we're going to first find the radius on our own. So how we're going to do that is plug in these numbers that were given into our equation. And so it's going to look a little like this. So instead of x, it's going to be 3. And then h, as we already know, it's going to be negative 5. But because it's negative 5, it's plus 5. Because if you subtract a negative, it's equivalent to adding a positive. So squared plus, and then instead of y, we're going to have 2 minus or plus 1 squared equals radius squared. Now we're going to solve this. That's going to give us 8 squared plus 3 squared equals radius squared. So you're going to get 64 plus 9 equals radius squared. Now if you further simplify this, radius squared will give us 73. Now we square root this number, and then we're going to get r is equal to square root of 73, because square root of 73 is already the simplest radical. Now to write the full equation, we're going to have to plug this radius back into our original equation. So how this is going to work is we're going to do x minus or plus 5 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 73, because this number squared will give us 73. So this is your final equation. That's your answer. Now we're going to try to graph this. So I already have the coordinate plane prepared. So what we need for the graphing is we're going to need the center point, and we're also going to be needing the radius, which we have here. So we're going to write down or plot our center point first. So it's negative 5, negative 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. So your center point is right here. Now we're going to plot the radius. And since notice how this radius is a radical, we're going to have to simplify that. So if you plug this number into your calculator and round it to the 10th, you're going to get 8.5. Now this is the number that we're going to be using to plot the radius. So from here, we're going to count up 8.5. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5. So this right here is approximately where the radius is. So now we're going to draw the radius right there, and we're going to do the same thing on this side, and this side. So let's do this. When you're done, this should be what yours look like. And now all we're going to do is connect this to form a circle. So we're going to go like that. Pretend it's perfect because it's not. And that's how you graph it.
Thanks for watching.